Hi, I'm Stephanie, and today I'm going to show you how to jazz up a plain white apron and make it festive for your Halloween party on the Baby Lock Verve. Let's create a ruffle. So we're going to take our Halloween fabric and turn it pretty sides together. We're going to create short seams here with a straight stitch. We need to create an overcasting stitch here so that our fabric doesn't fray. We're going to take the general purpose foot off. We're going to change to our G foot, which is your overcasting foot. And we need to go to our overcasting stitch, and we're going to use stitch 1-18. So now that we have our overcasting foot on the machine, let's go ahead and rethread with some really great glow-in-the-dark thread. Let's add our ruffle to this plain white apron. So what we need to do first is we're going to fold it in half and find the center point. I'm going to mark that with a pin. I'm going to take my flat ruffle, find the center, and you'll want to make sure that your basting stitches are on the top edge. So now what we need to do is gather up this ruffle to fit both our left side and the right side of our apron. So we're going to take these two basting stitches that we did and we're going to come all the way down to the end. Find your bobbin threads because those will gather up best. And we're just going to pull the fabric along it. And those two stitch lines will be stronger than one. Now we'll sew our ruffle on to the apron, and you're just going to line your straight stitch up. We'll use the same basting stitch that we had been using. Keep checking to make sure everything's lined up and your ruffles are laying nice and flat. And it's finally Rickrack time, so let's grab our Rickrack. We're going to place it over the edge of the apron. We're just going to use a straight stitch and cover up those gathering stitches and just continually line up your Rickrack and keep stitching. And you're done. Explore this project and many more at babylock.com.